Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add an AirTag to the Find My application on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's set up an AirTag on your iPhone 17 Pro Max so that you could track your stuff with the Find My application. So first of all, you have to open Find My application on your home screen, and as you can see, your Find My application is divided into 4 sections at the bottom, and you need to open Devices section specifically. So now you want to press this plus icon, and from this list select AirTag. And now you want to bring your AirTag close to your iPhone, and it should automatically pop up on your screen, just like when you connect your AirPods, it just pops up on your screen. And then you have to tap connect button when that window will appear, and then you want to choose name for your tag. So you can pick from labels like keys, backpack, or wallet. Or also, if I'm not mistaken, you can create your custom name if you want something special and unique. And after that, you should link your AirTag to your Apple ID. So this step is essential because it makes sure that only you can track your AirTag. So you have to proceed with all the on-screen steps. And basically, once it's added, you can open Find My application and go to Items tab right here, and you can see you will see your AirTag here in the Items tab. And yeah, that's basically it. Your AirTag is now fully set up, and it is ready to help you track all of your belongings on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.